Welcome to another behind the scenes look for the hunt at Great Oak. This time we are taking a close-up look at our bride that we have in one of our windows. So this bride lights up or glows using a black light, which you can see right down here. And the way that she looks when the lights are on is like this, where we have a foam head, some fake flowers. Those are temporary tattoos on the face that are used for Halloween. And the framework is done using a bunch of electrical wire, which you can see going down here. And I just worked on making it going up, and I measured so that this spot here will not be visible when it is in the window, and you would just see it glowing when standing outside. So there you have it. Go make something.